Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix shortcuts or hotkeys not working in Windows 11 and 10. Step 1, clean your keyboard. If some keys feel sticky or unresponsive, take a dry microfiber cloth and wipe the keyboard. Use rubbing alcohol or a safe electronic cleaner to gently clean the keys. If this does not work, proceed to the next step. Step 2, update keyboard drivers. Open the search menu, type Device Manager, and press Enter. Expand the keyboard section. Right-click on your keyboard device and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click Next, then close the window. If your computer asks you to restart, do not restart yet. Proceed to Step 3 first. Step 3, Restart HID Human Interface Service. Open the search menu, type Services, and press Enter. Scroll down and locate Human Interface Device Service. Double-click on it and set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service status is stopped, click Start, then click Apply and OK. Now restart your computer to apply all changes. After restarting your computer, your keyboard shortcuts and hotkeys should now function correctly. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling your keyboard driver or testing with an external keyboard to check for hardware issues. Thank you for following this guide. I hope it helped, and I look forward to assisting you in future tutorials. Goodbye.